It is not Sonia. Bojo, it is Bojo. Wait, I have to make more things.
Class 11, representing House Kanchenjunga. Today, I will recite an excerpt from Barack Obama's first inaugural address. So, here it goes. My fellow citizens, I stand here today, humbled by the task before us, grateful for the trust you have bestowed, and mindful of the sacrifice.
Mandela. Exactly.
Also have super cool flying shoes, so they would float right next to us and help us to learn. They would ride with rainbow colored light pens, and the homework would be done on air tablets. There would be no noise, no pollution, no traffic. Just fresh air, clouds, and fun learning. And if you feel sleepy during class, no problem. Just take a power nap on a passing cloud. But the best part, the whole earth would look so tiny from up there, reminding us how small we are and how big our dreams can be. So, my dear friends, we may not have a real school in the skies yet, but with imagination and learning can take us anywhere, even.
Are you still hungry? I asked faintly. No, I never eat luncheon. I just have a coffee in the morning and a dinner. I only eat one thing for luncheon. I was speaking for you. Oh, I see. Then a terrible thing happened. The head waiter, bearing a basket full of huge peaches.
On Negro's rights. If my cup won't hold but a pinch and yours holds a quart, wouldn't you be mean not to let me have my little half measure full? Still he stood there. I couldn't move the car. And I knew that he is beckoning to my death. Smart and so beautiful. And it kills me that you don't think you're good enough. Like we always have to be extraordinary, but somehow we're always doing it wrong. You have to be thin, but not too thin.